Question 6.3. Describe a transformation that the graph G has to undergo to form the graph H, where H is equals to minus cos x. So firstly, if we look at what g of x function graph was, so g of x was equals to sine x plus 30. And well, h of x here, which is what we want to transform it to, is minus cos x. So firstly, if we could transform in from a sine graph to a cos graph, that would indicate the concept or the application of co-ratios here. So to get to a co-ratio, we need a 90 plus in g of x. So to get to 90 plus, we need to shift this graph 60 degrees more. This is showing the mathematical approach behind it. So here this would show, and we can actually view it on the graph as well, but we need a 90 plus in order to transform the sine into cos. That's the first step. So here, first transformation is graph G has to shift 60 degrees to the left. And then thereafter, we have a negative sign here. So we have a negative sign which indicates that there's some sort of reflection. So the second part, after it's shifted 60 degrees to the left to become a cos graph, then this graph G has to then be reflected about the x-axis. G has to be reflected about the x-axis, and that's how we get from g of x is equals to sine x plus 30 to h of x is equals to minus cos x.